10 days ago, I opened my HDFC Bank Max savings account in HDFC Bank in my local branch. So, after 10 days, I have received the welcome kit from HDFC. It's a customized welcome kit. So, in today's video, we are going to unpack this welcome kit and we will see what we get in this. So, hey guys, welcome to the latest video from Tech Press. I hope that you guys have been doing well. So without wasting further more of your precious time, let's start the video. So now first of all I will cut the envelope open first and show you guys what do we get in it. So I have cut the envelope open. Now I will take all the content out and first of all censor the sensitive information. So we get so many pamphlets in the HDFC welcome kit. These pamphlets shows us the charges for not maintenance of the average monthly balance and benefits and charges on the savings account, current account, and some terms and conditions of the bank and other such things, and the benefit page for the debit card, I guess. And here they are advertising their apps called My Cards, where you can manage HDFC bank credit and debit cards. So moving on to the next thing we have here is this checkbook from the HDFC bank. I can't show you the front page of this checkbook, but I can show you how it looks from the front. It looks just like this from the front. Here is my details are mentioned here, so I can't show you this part. And next we get a passbook from HDFC bank. It's a blank passbook. Only your name and account details are written on the first page. You have to make entries from your bank branch on this passbook. So next we get a net banking pin. In this envelope you have to tear it from left or right side, and a 4-digit pin is mentioned inside the envelope by which you can log in to your net banking. After logging in once, you have to reset the password. So this is a one-time transaction password for net banking. So coming to the final thing that we get in this welcome kit is this debit card. So here is my Easy Shop Platinum debit card that we get from opening HDFC Bank Max Savings account. So I will take it out. And here you can see this is an HDFC Bank Easy Shop Platinum debit card. If you don't own an Max Savings account in HDFC, then you have to annually pay 750 rupees for this card. And also you get 1% cashback on all the online spends that you make with this card, which is a good thing. So this was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel.